Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer, with today's lesson on hazard communication, safety data sheets. Before we continue, remember to sign off on your mobile app or online to receive credit for this training. If you need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Safety data sheets, formerly known as material safety data sheets, are an essential key to hazard communication. Safety data sheets are formatted to be consistent with the United Nations Globally Harmonized System of Classification and Labeling of Chemicals, GHS, so all chemical SDSs are uniform throughout the world. Employees who work with or around hazardous chemicals are required to have access to and understand SDSs. The Hazard Communication Standard, revised in 2012, now requires chemical manufacturers, distributors, and importers to provide new safety data sheets in a uniform format that includes the section numbers, headings, and associated information listed. Section 1, Identification, includes product identifier, manufacturer or distributor name, address, phone number, emergency phone number, recommended use, and restrictions on use. Section 2, Hazard Identification, includes all hazards regarding the chemical and required label elements. Section 3, Composition Information. Information on ingredients includes information on chemical ingredients and trade secret claims. Section 4, First Aid Measures. This includes important symptoms or effects, whether they're acute or delayed, and required treatment. Section 5, Firefighting Measures. This lists suitable extinguishing techniques or equipment and the chemical hazards from the fire. Section 6, Accidental Release Measures. This lists...
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.